How to apply for a Schengen visa from Africa. Welcome back to the channel. Planning a trip to Europe from Africa. Whether it's for tourism, family visits, or business, the Schengen visa is your ticket to exploring 27 beautiful European countries. With just one visa, in this video, I'll walk you through how to apply for a Schengen visa from Africa, step by step, using clear and simple instructions, no matter what African country you're applying from. Let's get started. Number 1. What is a Schengen visa? A Schengen visa allows you to travel freely between 27 European countries for up to 90 days within a 180-day period. It's typically used for tourism, business, or visiting friends and family, and it's the most powerful short-stay visa in the world. Quick facts: covers countries like France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, etc. You must apply to the country you will spend the most time in, or the first country you'll enter. Number 2. Where to apply from Africa, no matter where. You are in Africa and Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, Egypt, Morocco. You'll need to apply through a Schengen country's embassy, consulate, or visa outsourcing center in your home country. Options: embassy or consulate of the destination country, VFS Global, or contact authorized external application centers. Tip: some embassies handle applications for multiple Schengen countries. Check the embassy's website. Number 3. Required documents. To successfully apply, you'll need to prepare the following mandatory documents: completed visa application form signed and dated passport valid for at least 3 months after your return, with 2 blank pages to recent passport-sized photos, travel medical insurance coverage of at least 30,000 euros across the Schengen zone, flight reservation, itinerary not necessarily booked yet, proof of accommodation, hotel booking, or invitation. Letter if staying with someone, proof of financial means, bank statements for the last 3 to 6 months, proof of employment or school, letter from employer or school. Leave approval letter for employees, cover letter, explains your travel purpose, duration, and itinerary. Visa application fee around 80 euros, varies slightly by country and age. Number 4. Book an appointment. Next, you'll need to book a biometric appointment at the embassy or visa center. Slots fill up quickly, so don't delay. How to book: through the embassy website or external provider, VFS Global, or contact. Choose your visa category: tourism, business, visit, etc. Pick a date and time, print the confirmation receipt. Some countries allow group bookings for families or group tour. Number 5. Attend the visa interview at your appointment. Bring all original documents and photocopies. You'll also have your fingerprints and photo taken. What to expect: short interview, 5 to 15 minutes, questions about your trip, job, ties to home country, and return plan. Be honest and confident. Common questions: why are you traveling? Who are you visiting? How long will you stay? What do you do for work? Who is paying for your trip? Number 6. Visa processing time. Processing usually takes 15 calendar days, but can take longer during peak seasons or if extra documents are needed. Tip: apply at least 4 to 6 weeks before your travel date. Number 7. Collect your visa. You'll receive a notification by email or SMS once your visa is ready. You can collect it in person or have it delivered depending on the country. Check your visa dates of validity, number of entries, single, double, or multiple duration of stay. Number 8. What if you're denied? If your visa is denied, don't panic. You'll receive a letter stating why. Next steps: correct the issue and reapply or appeal the decision within the allowed time frame. Common rejection reasons: insufficient funds, incomplete documents, weak travel history, lack of ties to home country. Number 9. Bonus tips to boost approval. To increase your chances of approval, follow these golden tips. Be consistent in all documents: names, dates, purpose, show proof of return ties, job letter, school, family, property. Avoid submitting fake or altered documents. Never book non-refundable flights before approval. Stay calm and professional during your interview. Number 10. Which countries have higher approval rates? If you're unsure which country to apply through, these Schengen countries usually have faster processing and higher approval rates for African applicants. Spain, France, Italy, Greece, Hungary, Portugal. It still apply to the correct embassy based on your trip itinerary. Getting a Schengen visa from Africa is absolutely possible with the right documents and preparation. Don't let fear or rumors stop you from exploring the world. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help preparing your application. Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more travel guides and visa tips.